Welcome back to my channel, friends. Blessed and OCC obsessed, where it is my goal to encourage and inspire you on how you can pack a full, fun, and personal shoebox by sharing my shoe boxes and hoping that the items I pack will encourage, inspire, and give you ideas on things that you can pack in your shoebox, whether it's a themed shoebox or not. I'm hopeful that just seeing what kind of items I pack, it will give you new and fun ideas. Today's unboxing is for a girl aged 10 to 14, and I'm calling this shoebox A Day in Grand Paris. I didn't use your standard OCC shoebox for this one. What I used is a box that I get from IKEA. It's just a brown box, and I'm horrible at wrapping, so what I have done is just decorated the lid, and I add some duct tape around the bottom portion of the box to give it some color. And because this box is a day in Paris, I just had fun making this shoebox look like a suitcase. And so I just used Canva and made a fun page that looked like the front of an old suitcase, and added some little icons that look like they might be stickers, travel stickers, and printed it out and just covered it with box tape to protect it from all of the processing it goes through, and it's just decoration. But I personally got a lot of joy and fun creating this lid to make this box a little bit more fun than just a brown box. But anyway, enough of my chatter. I did, after I packed this shoebox, realized I had purchased something a while back for this shoebox and I forgot to put it in. So when we get to the end and I box it back up, I am hopeful that I can include this fun little coloring stand-up of a girl standing in front of the Eiffel Tower. All right, let's get this box open by removing my 107 rubber band. It is my favorite rubber band to use because it keeps my lids nice and tight. And when we open it up, the first thing she will see is the shoebox lid that I created, laminated, added holes and string and Velcro dots so she can hang it on her wall if she chooses to. And on this box, I just have a fun little picture of a girl who looks like she's going shopping and visiting the Eiffel Tower. And I added one of my favorite scriptures, Proverbs 31:25. Let's go ahead and scoot it back. And I included in her box right on top, it's kind of to protect her doll, is just this bright, colorful, rainbow tie-dyed looking bandana I got at Hobby Lobby. This is her wow item, and it is, I can't remember the name of the brand. I'm a bin shopper, and I found this really fun doll, and I think she's just very stylish, has beautiful hair, but she is her intention is art. Gosh, I wish I could remember the name of this brand of doll. I've never seen them before, but she comes with this cute little easel. It's a picture that the young girl can color. These are markers. These little paint brushes are actually markers, and she can use them to color her picture. This is a stand that comes with the doll for you to stand her up on, and it looks like a little paint palette. Comes with a paintbrush. I'm not sure why, because I didn't include it. I'm not sure if I've got paints in here or not. It has this fun little keychain that she can color with markers. You can color her headband and put that on her. Comes with a comb. Oh, it's Art Squad. It's there. She's part of the Art Squad club. And then there's just a couple of other fun little additional doodads that she can paint. They look like paintbrushes. But I thought she was a lot of fun, and she's really what started this theme. When I saw her, I thought of Paris and all the beautiful art, and she's stylish. So I had a lot of fun collecting items for this particular theme. All right, I'm going to have to lay her down. I include cars in all my boxes, and I included this bus. It looks like a tourist bus that she could be taking in Paris. A couple of little filler items. I've got a mini Rubik's Cube and a foldable flying disc. This is her plushie. It's a cute pink doggy. And I've got, okay, so this in here, this is an actual beret, a very nice beret, and it's got styrofoam in here to help keep its shape. And just to fit more in here, I've got this cute little clear backpack. It's just a mini backpack that's got unicorns on it, and it fit perfectly stuffed down in this hat just to help maintain the shape and not ruin this beautiful hat. Got glue stick as part of her school supplies. In this organza bag, because she is for a 10 to 14-year-old, I included some jewelry. This is her cross necklace. And then I made her some little seed bead bracelets. And I included a pretty little ring. That is her jewelry for this 10 to 14-year-old little girl. Her musical instrument is this mini flute that I tied a lanyard on. Her calculators, because I like to include these in my 10 to 14-year-olds. This is her shirt. I found this at Five Below on clearance, and it is just a red shirt that has the Eiffel Tower and says Paris on it. In this organza bag, I've got some chapstick and a whole bunch of hair rubber bands and pretty little hair clips, nail clippers. There's a couple of nail files down in here, and just an assortment of colorful hair rubber bands, and there's a matching clip in here for this one. So it's just a mini little hygiene organza bag. This is her little container that has the extra Velcro dots and the large thumbtack to hang her wall decor on. I included a pretty fidget spinner. It's a tie-dye. Here's her toothbrush. Okay, got a bouncy ball in here and a mini slinky. Getting these, I've been getting these at Dollar Tree. These are nice little quality slinkies. Her pencil sharpener. I've got a Corvette that is a International Women's Day car. I thought that was pretty for a girl on the town. A box of crayons, 12-pack of colored pencils. I'm definitely putting the art supplies in here. scissors for school. And yes, I did include watercolors. I thought I did, but I didn't want to say so. And that is why there's an extra paintbrush down in that bag that the doll was in. I found this fun puzzle. It's a not a puzzle. It's a 3D mini block of the Eiffel Tower. This is her school bag. And I've got your basic school supplies in it. I've got a fun multicolor pen. These are all her pencils and pens, black, blue, and red, yellow highlighter. And then I've got in here a large yellow eraser that says Bravo. Her fun googly eye ring. And then this is also some colored pencils. I guess I packed 2 of them for her, but this is a fun colored pencil pack with different colors of pencils and more watercolor paintbrushes. And then down in the bag, I've also included a bunch of stickers. One of them is a picture of the Eiffel Tower. And then there's some Encanto picture stickers that say Girl Power. A couple of scripture stickers as well, and some floral stickers. Just some stickers I thought a girl would enjoy. I included at the bottom a sketchbook. A doodle and draw activity book. This is a sticker activity book that has around the world with a picture of the Eiffel Tower on the front. And then a advanced coloring book that says places to color, and it's also got the Eiffel Tower on the front. And then at the bottom, I've got her full-size ruler. And least but not least, my personal letter that I include in all my shoe boxes that shares a personal love note with the child, letting them know how special and loved they are, not only by us, but by Jesus. I encourage you to include a note, a small one, a letter, some information or picture about yourselves. It is a cherished part of these shoe boxes. I hope that you've enjoyed this unboxing today and have gotten some ideas on items you can pack in a shoe box. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hit that bell. It'll let you know when I release another video. Check out my Facebook page, OCC Shoebox Packers, and you can find lid designs like the one I printed and used today. They're free to share, and we have a great group, so come check us out. See you in my next video.